Hello everybody, my name's David from Frostbite, and today we are gonna be doing the hot potato, that. So it's 2 a.m. I'm tired, but we're gonna slug through this. Race car through it. I don't know. We're just gonna program until I can't program no more. Yeah, it's basically. We're gonna create a new class. It's gonna be called Command Handler, and we're gonna have to add a new interface, and it's a listener. And let's do that. So it implements listener. Nope, I am absolutely stupid. It needs to implement command XC cutter, and I spelled it wrong somehow. Yes, XC. Oh, OR. And we're gonna have to make it an implemented method, blah blah blah. There we go. And here, instead of command center arg0, we're gonna do sender, command cmd, string, command label, C and L uppercase, string args. Up here, we're gonna do classes. I don't think there's any variables, so we're not gonna do variables. In classes, we have to do hot potato plugin. Hot potato plugin. Nope. This dot plugin. What are you doing, Avery? This dot plugin equals plugin. Alright. Yeah, we don't need listener anymore. Yeah. So we're gonna start out is we're gonna do if sender instance player else. Okay, so if the sender isn't a player, basically we're gonna tell the sender off if they're not a player. Get logger dot log level dot warning. Basically, let's say you have to be in game to use a command. Basically, so if they are instance of a player, wait, no. If it is not instance of a player, we're gonna do this. Alright, but that's what we're gonna do there. But first, we're gonna do if command label dot equals in our case HP. We're gonna just do uppercase. Or if command label dot equals in our case hot potato. We have to make an opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket, but we want to reformat this, so we're going to do Control Shift F. There we go. So if it is okay, we're going to say that, and we're going to return false. Return false. Now we're going to do player equals player sender. Oop, sender shouldn't be in there. Get out of there, sender. Or also not slender. No, I'm joking. Okay, so now that we have that, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna do if args.length equals 0, we're not gonna do anything yet. Now we're gonna do else if args.length equals 1, we're not gonna do anything yet. Now what we're gonna do is else if args.length equals 2, yes. And are we gonna do anything? Wait, slash HPTO update. Nope, we're not gonna do anything. But if it's 4, so if args.length 3. So if the length is 3, we're gonna do something. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna do yes. Okay, so we're gonna do if args 0 dot equals in our case update, and we're like, yes, that's what we want. Now we're gonna do if args 1 dot equals in our case let's do lobby. What we're gonna do is plugin.get. I haven't created it yet. So in here we're gonna do private game creator, game creator, game creator. Why is this so annoying? Private game creator equals new game creator this. We're gonna create getter and setter. Basically what we're gonna do is get game creator dot update lobby player args. I think it's, you know, I have a hunch. Wait, I'm gonna do 2. There we go. So now what we're gonna do is that instead of this if, we want to do an else if. Did I just say else? So lobby spec. So update spec. Then we're gonna do another else if. Then update end. Don't know what I'm doing, guys. It's when I say so, pause the video, just copy and paste it. I'll explain more later. Update lobby. So update spawn. Update lobby spawn lobby what's it called? What are those points called? Power-ups. Power-ups. Ha. So now basically what we're gonna do is on 2 what we're gonna do is if args 0 dot equals in our case create, what we're gonna do is plugin dot get game creator dot create arena player args1 else if args 0 dot equals in our case create update nope. What we're gonna do is here's this be else. So we're gonna do else if. So we're gonna do enabled. Basically here we're gonna do update this and what's it called? Toggle enabled. Basically we're gonna do what we're gonna do is if args 2 no boolean dot 2 no farce boolean yes args is not equal to null. Oop, oh, ooh. So if that's not equal to null, but we have to add something right here. If that's not equal to null, why is it crying? Okay, we're just gonna do this. I don't care. I don't care if we get an error. There we go. So yeah. But we're gonna add something. We're gonna do we're gonna create. We're gonna do args 0 dot equals in our case. Oh, args 0 dot equals ignore case TP. We're gonna TP to wherever we want. So we're gonna do plugin dot get. Wait. Ah, poopy. Wait a second, guys. I have to stupid 5 arguments. I mean, yeah, 5. No, I didn't even. I can't count no more. Wait, we have to do this. Then we have to do that. Hey, no, that should be perfect. Oh, that can't be else. Get plugin. There we go. Sorry about that. Basically for TP, so what we're gonna do is Oh, in hot potato, what we're gonna do is on enable. We're gonna do we're gonna create a new thing called inside here we're gonna do public void. No, what we're gonna do is when someone enables an arena. Wait a second. Alright. So someone enables arena, so we have to go back into game creator. So if it's equal to true, if disabled is equal to false, what we're gonna do is plugin.getConfig.get no, we're gonna do if wait, if plugin.getConfig.contains enabled, and plugin.getConfig. Oh wait. Enabled dot plus arena name. If it contains that, contains that, what we're gonna do is plugin.getConfig. Set get string list. Okay. Enabled. We're gonna have to create the list here. List. No. Arenas equal. Then we're gonna do arenas dot remove. We're gonna do arena name. Oh, I got really quiet. Then we're gonna set it back. Else if contains enabled does not contain, we're gonna add. Okay, there we go. Yes, there we go. But what we're gonna do in hot potato is that we're gonna have to do public void load arenas. Then we're gonna do for string s plugin get config dot get string list. Where's game creator? Enabled. So for all those, we're gonna do game manager GM equals new game manager this arena name, so s gm dot init, then games dot add gm. But init and game manager, what we're gonna do is variables. We're gonna do private game. We're gonna create this getter and setter. What in the init we're gonna do is game equals new. Oh no, we're just gonna do game equals new game. This. What's the game thing? Nope, we need to string name. Then we're gonna do this dot name equals name. Basically the plugin, and we're gonna do name. So arena name or just name. And then yeah. It's basically here we have to do load arenas. But right here we have to check if it is in there. Get config dot contains enabled. If not, no one cares. How much time we got? Okay. So now in command handler, TP, what we're gonna do is that if args1 dot equals ignore case. Wait, it's 2 seconds. So basically, so if one's equal ignore case lobby, what we're gonna do is plugin dot find game args2 dot get game dot get lobby, and we're gonna do so for everything else until the world doesn't want to do it no more. Alright, so lobby, spec, and that's all we're gonna do for right now. Let's get game.get end and spec. Alright, but now we're gonna have to enable these commands. So let's do enables commands. So what we're gonna do is get command HP all uppercase dot set executor new command handler this, and we're gonna do get command, and I forgot what the other commands uppercasing was. Alright, dot set executor new command handler this. Basically, in the plugin.yml, we're gonna have to make a new thing called commands. Let's do 2 spaces or 2 indents. Potatoes, copy HP. Let's paste HP there, and let's do one more thing. Let's do 2 more. Let's do description, and we're gonna have hot potato command. Period. Let's copy this again, and let's do this. Voila, that should work. So I'm gonna export this, and I'll see you guys in game. Guys, before I even started debugging, I found an error. We forgot to save the config right here. So let's just do plugin.save config. There we go. Now I can actually export it. I'll be back in game. Guys, I found another error, unfortunately, but in the game manager, we forgot to do this dot name equals name. Still nothing to show you in game. Name, sorry. Still nothing to show you in game because I haven't updated it yet. I was just reading over. I just tested on custom. I just tested and it didn't work. Okay. All right. I'll be back in game. Okay, I didn't really find an error this time, but I found me being stupid that I never teleported the player in the TP command. So we might as well do that now and add in the TP teleport part of the teleport command, because you know that might be like you might need that. Like, I don't know if you will, but probably since you're using teleport command you might need it. Okay, finally we can go in game now, and I know for a fact we can do it. Okay, I lied. We forgot to do game.init in the init of the game man. Oh, what was that? In the game manager. Hopefully this is the last time. 4 bugs. That's bad for me. Alright, let's check in game. Alright, I found the last error, everybody. Last error was we forgot to create the array list for this spawn power-up, so just create it, and we were able to go. Okay, so I'm in game right now. So I'm on a test server for server. So first what we're going to do is HP create, and let's call it Avery, since my name is Avery. So now that we create Avery, let's do HP update lobby, lobby Avery. I don't have to do caps, I just like caps. Okay, so now set this, now let's go over here. This should be the spectate point. And now over here should be, the lobby. Wait, did we already do lobby? Yes, the end. Now I think the spawn should be right here. And what about the power-ups be right here? And now how about we enable this? Enable Avery. Oop. HP update. Enable Avery false. Enabled. Okay, I'm home. That's the thing, making sure that my arena gets created. I don't know why it says it twice, but I had debug since. Oh, I had debug. So now let's try do /HP TP lobby Avery. Ta-da! Now let's do HPTP spec Avery. Ta-da! Let's do HPTP and Avery. Ta-da! Okay, it works. So there you go, everybody. My name is Avery. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.